ओडिया एजुकेशन ट्यूटोरियल चैनल रे समस्त को स्वागत। दशम श्रेणी समेटिव वन असेसमेंट परीक्षा रे इंग्लिश विषय आसी प्रश्न गुड़िकर उत्तर एठारे आलोचना करिबा। वीडियोटी को भल भाव में प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखंतु एवं केते नंबर रहिबो ताहा मध्य निजे निजको आकलन करंतु। तबे वीडियोटी को आरंभ करिया पूर्व गोटे छोट रिक्वेस्ट, वीडियोटी को लाइक शेयर कमेंट करने को भूलबेनी एवं आम चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करि नथिले सब्सक्राइब कर देबे। धन्यवाद। तो आसंतु आरंभ करिबा। एक नंबर अच्छी व्हाट मेड दी बेगर स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी। दो नंबर अच्छी द फ्लावर स्मेल्स स्वीट। द अंडरलाइन पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस फंक्शंस एज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए वर्ब। ऑप्शन सी होगा राइट आंसर। 4 नंबर अच्छी स्टेट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ग्रामेटिकली एक्सेप्टेबल। 4 नंबर ग्रामेटिकली एक्सेप्टेबल क्वेश्चन टी रो आंसर होची व्हाट एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल शी इज। ऑप्शन बी। 5 नंबर हाउ मच डिड लुस्कॉफ अर्न पर मंथ एज ए नोटरी। 35 रूल्स। ऑप्शन ए। 3 नंबर Wordsworth says that the girl's song may be related to some days sorrow, loss or pain. Natural. Option C is right answer. 6 number अच्छी the jury dash divided on his issues. We are plural form रे हबो। 7 number his brother as well as his uncle responsible for his success. Right answer होची ऑप्शन सी has. 10 number the work should be finished dash Sunday by Sunday. Option C. 8 number not only the boy but also his friends dash equally guilty. यार सठिक आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए is. 11th number अच्छी what were Lencho's smaller children doing until their mother called them to dinner. राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए प्लेइंग इन द वैली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 वेस्ट नॉट वांट नॉट। राइट आंसर होची कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। ऑप्शन ए। नंबर 12 दिस इज द पॉइंट इन द फिल्म डैश वी केम इन। राइट आंसर होची व्हाई वी केम इन। ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 वी आर according to Wordsworth do the tired travelers take a rest. Right answer is option B in some oases among the Arabian deserts. Question number 16 who gave milk to Timothy in a feeding bottle. And this right answer is option D Muhammad the cook. Number 14 Sergei was Aaron dash by profession. Was an advocate by profession. Option D right answer. Question number 17 the rumor that our headmaster is leaving school is true. The underlined clauses is a noun clause function as dash. Right answer is option B an expression in opposition to a noun phrase. Option B. Question number 15 what was Timothy's favorite place in the house. Right answer is drawing room. Option B. 18 this is a very beautiful movie. If this sentence is turned into an exclamatory sentence which of the following will be grammatically acceptable. Grammatically acceptable sentence टी हो option B what a beautiful movie this is. Question number 19 what was the single hope in the hearts of all the members of Lencho's family. राइट आंसर होची हेल्प फ्रॉम गॉड ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 वर्ड्सवर्थ bore the thrilling sound of river's song in his days in his heart option B। Question number 20 my father who is working at Koraput is a doctor the underlined clause is a dash the underlined clause is a non-defining relative clause option B। Question number 23 let's go on a picnic in the above sentences the subject is dash इस सब्जेक्ट होची एठरे यू ऑप्शन बी। The two seasons described in the poem all things bright and beautiful are dash all things bright and beautiful are option A the summer and the winter he is made from milk option D। Question number 25 all depends on how the work is done pick out the noun clause in the above sentence the noun clause hochi option C how the work is done। Question number 28 Sergei engaged the beggar in the work of dash in the work of chopping wood option B hochi aro सठिक आंसर। Question number 26 Lench's solitary house was situated on the crest of a low hill option D। What according to C.F. Alexander has God given to the little birds right answer is option A teeny wings। Question number 27 where do roses grow by the water option D। What drew tears from Gandhi's eye his option B which right answer the least moral defect। Question number 31 what was the notice dash right answer hochi option A what was the notice you are looking at option A। 34 according to Gandhi a man of truth should be dash a man of truth should be a man of hard work option A। 32 what did Gandhi very jealously guard his character option C। 35 Toto was bold enough to dash Toto was bold enough to pull Timothy by the tail option A। Question number 33 the governor and chancellor of the university has been invited to the function has बसिबो जेतु सिंगुलर नंबर रे हबो what did the grandfather use to do whenever Timothy growled 36 रो right answer is option B he would smack him across the mouth। 37 where did Sergei first meet the beggar right answer is in Sarvodaya street option B। Question number 40 Gandhi retained his false notion about handwriting until he went to South Africa option A। 38 which came directly in the way of Gandhiji's serving his father compulsory exercise option D। 41 I write with the pen that my brother gave me which my brother gave me option B। Question number 39 where according to C.F. Alexander do we play in the meadow option B right answer। Question number 43 the solitary reaper was singing by herself option D। Question number 44 what is the best cure of option A have right answer of a cold। 48 Timothy was glad to have the tempting diet of pigeon and rabbits option C। Question number 45 how did Lencho feel when he counted the money राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए, ही बिकेम एंग्री। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49, इन होम डिड लेंचो हैव डीप फेथ? राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, गॉड। 46, his brother works dash a farm on a farm, option B। 50, what kind of song is the soldier reaper singing? Melancholy song, option B। 47, whose voice according to William Wordsworth is thrilling in springtime? Cocos। Please do like my video, comment and share it. Thank you.